In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change announcement bar on Shopify. The announcement bar is that slim banner at the very top of your store, perfect for highlighting a promo, shipping updates, or an important notice. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add it, update the message, and adjust the colors so it matches your brand and stays readable. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your store's control center, and everything we need is right here. Next, head to Online Store in the left sidebar and select Themes. This is where you manage the look and feel of your storefront. You'll see your current theme listed at the top, find your live theme and click Edit to open the theme editor. Depending on your theme, this button may be labeled Customize, but the goal is the same. You're entering the visual editor for your storefront. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel that lists your sections, click Add Section, then search for or select Announcement Bar. If your theme already includes one, you'll see it listed. Adding it simply places a new announcement bar section on your page. If it's already there, you're good to go. Click the announcement bar once to open its settings. This is where you control the content and style. The right panel will show all the editable options. Update the text or message to say exactly what you want customers to see. Keep it short and clear. Something like a discount, a deadline, or a shipping perk works well. Avoid clutter and jargon. If your theme offers a link field, you can point customers to a specific page, like a sale collection or policy page, but keep the message itself concise so it's easy to scan. Now adjust the background color and text color if needed. Aim for strong contrast so it's readable at a glance. A dark background with light text or the reverse typically works best. Consider your brand colors but don't sacrifice legibility. If your theme allows it, preview both desktop and mobile styles to ensure the text doesn't get lost on smaller screens. Consistency and accessibility are key here. When you're happy with the message and colors, click Save. Give the page a moment to update. Then preview your storefront and navigate a few pages to confirm the bar appears where you expect and reads clearly across your site. If something looks off, jump back into the editor and tweak the text or colors, then save again. That's it, your announcement bar is updated and ready to inform and convert visitors.